Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to invite people to follow and like your Facebook business page. This is a powerful way to grow your audience and connect with people who are genuinely interested in what your business has to offer. Let's dive right in and get those connections rolling. First things first, head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in and viewing your business homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon sitting there. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for you to choose from. This menu is your gateway to managing different aspects of your Facebook presence. From that drop-down menu, you'll want to click on your business profile, which will be displayed as the name of your business. This step is important because it takes you directly into the business management side of Facebook, where you have access to all the tools and features specifically designed for business pages. It's the hub where you can control how your business is presented and engage with your audience. Once you click on your business profile, you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is where the real action happens. Now, take a look at your Actions menu and locate the three-dot icon. This icon is often labeled as the More Actions button, and you'll find it on the far right part of your Actions menu. Click on it to reveal additional options that aren't immediately visible on your main menu. When you click that three-dot icon, an expanded menu will appear, giving you access to more advanced features. From this expanded menu, look for the section labeled Share. Within that section, you'll see an option that says Invite people to connect. Click on this option and Facebook will present you with a list of relevant people who have similar interests to your business. These are individuals who are more likely to engage with your content and become loyal followers. All you need to do is click Invite next to each profile that appears, and Facebook will send them a connection request on your behalf. And there you have it. You've successfully started inviting people to follow and like your Facebook business page, expanding your reach and building a community around your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.